Here he comes.
The following contest is a Hell in a Cell match. Making his way to the ring from Benue State, Nigeria, weighing in at 241 pounds, the Superstar.
The arena's buzzing, social media's buzzing, a big fight feel and a main event level match.
Go! Get up! Come on, let's go!
A man who elevates his game every week. He is competing at his highest level yet.
And his opponent from Denton, Texas, weighing in at 285 pounds, Tornado.
This is a competitor who isn't happy with a win unless they get a handshake from their opponent afterwards. A real respect for the business.
Can they even work their hands properly? Apparently, they lack a spine.
He has a big match ahead of him. Going to need a career-making performance here tonight.
It's the structure that's going to make the difference in this one, folks. These superstars can act all nonchalant all they want, but you see referee in position. He kicks out before two.
Got to do more to get the fall. He's stalking his opponent from the top turnbuckle.
From the top. Are you kidding me?
Out of the ring and into hell itself. Oh boy, it's a baseball bat. Hoping to end this match with one big swing.
Oh, look at this. German suplex. And not done yet. Another German. And continuing to punish their opponent with a German. Drops the hammer.
Right on the lower back.
Oh, perfect kick. Got the knees up just in time.
This could turn things around.
It's deep, and I don't think it's playable. Hell in a Cell is such a demonic structure that exists solely for pain and suffering. Corey, I have to know, is there any use in coming up with a game plan for this match, or do you have to play it all by ear?
No, absolutely play it by ear, Cole. You know how they say that everyone's got a plan until they get hit in the mouth? Well, everyone's got a plan until they enter Hell in a Cell.
And continuing to punish their opponent with a German.
Suplex.
Off into the pin.
Could be in search of a second win now.
Every successive move is putting their opponent in a...
Can he do it here? Gets his shoulder up before the 2 count.
Showing his determination to back.
Home run. We're witnessing a malicious string of attacks right now.
Snap power slam. Oh, claw. There's the claw. This could be it. He's got it locked in. It's locked in.
Now would be a wise time to submit. makes the hold, but damage has been done. Bad predicament right here.
Can't prepare your face for that.
He fends off the attack. Oh!
He's back into the ring.
Big time spine buster.
Could lead to a big time win.
Elbow drop.
Specifically targeting the leg. For the pin and the win.
Yes.
1, 2, 3. Gets the win in a brutal Hell in a Cell match.
Here is your winner, the Superstar.
And he certainly proved himself a superstar to watch with this one.
Love them or hate them, you know they did everything they could to earn this win.